Okay, so I got this car and it threw a P0011 code. It's on this 2008 Kia I got from auction. And on the video I watched, it said to go for a piece that's down in the engine. So I said, let me try to see if I can do this myself. Where you see the tape is where I fixed it. The second arrow is where I was going for. And I noticed there was some oil around this hose. So I said, let me just check out the hose. I threw the electric, actually it's duct tape I put around it, and the duct tape fixed it. And the code went away immediately. If you have a leak here, that P0011 will show. This is what was around it originally. So I just cut this away and I put the duct tape on it and it fixed it. Now apparently this piece that I was going for originally is often the problem when you get the P0011. So let me show you that piece exactly so that you guys can find it yourselves. And this is a Kia. I'm not sure if this will show up on other cars. I'm not a mechanic. This little wire is what you press down on and you're holding the other side so you can remove it. It's hard to do this holding the camera, but it's super easy to take it off. To at least disconnect it, I should say. I didn't end up having to replace it, so I didn't try to actually fully remove it. But I was able to easily disconnect it.